Now, if you've been watching me, you know that I am a break and retest trader. So this is the method that I'm going to go over with you today. There are a plethora of methods that people have, but I'm showing you what I use and how I have my success. So let's get to it. You might want to hit that save button so that you can have this for reference and practice. Free course, I do have a homework assignment on market structure. I highly recommend doing it if this sounds like another language to you. But as you can see here, we have a previous high. In order for us to hope that there's going to be a continuation in trend, the previous high has to be broken. And again, remember, I'm a breakout and retest trader. So I wait for the candle to break out above the previous high, land on top, making a new low, and then I look for the push up. Okay, so you can see where that happened here. It gave another opportunity where you have a high right here, and it did the same thing, you guys. It broke up, it landed on top with multiple candles, and attempted to push up to the next level. So this is what you want to look for when you're trading. If you don't see that, then you probably need to just wait for a better setup. Here's another example where we have a resistance. We're waiting for price action to close above, land on top. Now, I like to have a 1 to 2 candle confirmation, preferably. As you can see here, it kind of just danced around. But again, previous high, broke that high with this candle, came back, landed on top. Now, this is a nice setup. I like this because I have at least 2 candles confirming it, my previous high. I'll take it up. And what I want is to see if it's going to break this high. If it doesn't, then that may mean I need to exit the trade. But as you can see, this candle right here, it broke that high, right? And it came back and it landed on top. Now it's trying to do it again. If price is able to achieve this previous high and we're looking for a continuation, it's going to have to break and land on top. Otherwise, we're going to start to see some momentum down. All right, here's an example of a downtrend. Instead, we want the opposite. So we want the floor to become a ceiling. So we want it to break through and close underneath. So break through and close underneath. For the buy, we were looking for it to land on top. This way, we're looking for it to come underneath. So this is a break, retest, retest. These are where I would enter. Now we have a low here. We're looking for it to break and retest. Remember, I told you guys I like 1 to 2 candles confirmation. Then we take the trade, right? We're only going to get back in for a high probability trade if the support is broken. So we look at this previous low. We have a break, we have a retest, and a smaller retest. So you can see quite a few candles hanging out there. So that would be my entry. So this is what you want to start looking for when you're trading. So go ahead and practice and let me know if it helped.